There is some fire brigades vacancy, you know, like
Yeah.
in Dunda. We should apply for
part-time,
it.
part-time.
Dude, it was in the radio.
Really?
Yeah, and
Are we
they
gonna
said if
apply
you-
or what?
And they specifically said if you're the guy who can carry another person, you should definitely come and ask in the local office. They need it in Dundalk, Drogheda, and they mentioned I think Cavan and Dublin. Maybe somebody should just call the fire brigade, you know?
A blanket. He wants a blanket.
Call the fire brigade.
Inshallah.
You need a fire blanket. You don't need a normal blanket because it will
We need
pick.
to call fire
It
brigade.
will pick up the fire. The normal blanket. You need a fire blanket. You know. It's a special.
If this burns this other building, they're gonna have trouble. Somebody might be inside.
They might say it's us, the Muslim. You know. They must blame us.
We'll take picture where we have.
A big fire. Getting bigger.
I think it's more smart we put our fire out now just to be safe.
Why they don't let people have barbecues? See, that's why it's prohibited.
But I don't think that was
people don't know
that
how
was
to be
fireworks.
responsible.
You trying to finish the fire, yeah?
They know. There's no wood, isn't? There's no water.
It's hard.
Brother, what you were doing it's the right thing. Just spread it away.
You just smother it.
You can spread it with the wood. You know, you don't have to do it with your hands.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Take a
You
plank
do
of
it
wood.
right,
Just do it.
This is break this, right?
Good idea.
You just
This
careful,
is small
buddy.
fire.
Keep it in the circle of lights. Yeah, let's use this stuff.
Shall I go in the sea and fill that water, maybe?
No, there's water.
There is
tap.
water. We're not supposed to leave it like this, you know? We should pour some water over it.
This is the second big smoke coming out of this area.
Pour whatever's in the tea.
Oh, and that maybe bubbles better.
Also this one. Sand will even put it in. You see?
Either. Help.
Yeah, but it can linger. But the problem is, it might linger a little bit.
Let me see if there's any more.